Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, what platforms have you worked on the PPC campaigns? In our 15 years of experience working on the PPC side of things, we have been working on mainly the first tier search engines, be it Google, Bing, Facebook, Amazon and LinkedIn. Only these platforms are able to bring us better quality clicks, and hence then only we should be able to see better quality leads or better quality conversions from these campaign, and we will definitely be making sure that we are making the most out of our spend in our campaigns. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime.